An integrated energy system to help families reduce their carbon footprint and utilities bill. That's the plan for households involved in the project. Energy-producing solar panels will be fitted on public housing, and these will power lifts and lighting during the day. Now, excess electricity generated by these panels can be stored in batteries, which households can tap on for energy at night. Now, this potentially means zero emissions generated in powering an entire housing block. At home, appliances like air conditioning will be upgraded.
Just by changing the aircon to a more energy efficient one, which is the inverter model, we already expect around 50% of the savings in terms of electricity consumption. And this time around, we are going to introduce a new technology, which is home energy management systems, and also potentially linking up to the smart meters of the potential smart grid in future.
The smart grids being explored by authorities to enhance Singapore's power network.
Unlike a traditional grid, which relies on the passive transmission of electricity from generators to consumers, a smart grid can integrate the actions and responses of connected parties, such as the grid operator, utility retailers, businesses, and consumers, to reap efficiency savings and other system benefits.
The project will run till 2013.